Hi everyone. Today we are making a bold, hearty and flavor-packed classic chili con carne. This rich and comforting dish is made with juicy minced beef, slow simmered tomatoes, kidney beans and beautiful blend of warm spices that create a deep smoky flavor in every bite. This is perfect one pot meal for family dinner, meal prep, or when you just want something warm and satisfying. Spicy, savory, and incredibly comforting, this chili kankani is simple to make and absolutely delicious. Let's see what ingredients we need. Today, I am using 500 grams of minced beef. We also need about 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 can of chickpea, and 1 can of kidney beans. You can also cook dried beans yourself if you prefer, but today I am using canned ones for the convenience. I have 1 carrot, 1 bay leaf, and 1 onion. I grated the onion using a box grater. Grated onions make a big difference when cooking minced meat because that onion juice adds extra flavor and helps soften the meat beautifully. I have also a garlic, piece of leek, and 2 cans of diced tomatoes, which will give plenty of sauce and richness to the dish. Now for the spices, I am using 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning, a teaspoon of oregano, salt, chili, black pepper. It's up to your spice level. Now let's start cooking. Heat the pan and add the oil. Then add the minced beef. I am using this small gadget I bought for just a couple of dollars. It helps loosen tightly packed mince meat straight from the fridge. This means is tightly packed from the shops. I bought this one from Costco. So this tool makes the job much easier than using a spoon. Cook the mince until it turns a nice brown color. Once the meat is browned, add the garlic and grated onion and then mix well. The acidity from the onion juice helps to tenderize the beef and enhance the flavor. That's why I always use grated onion when cooking mince. Now it's time to add the spices. Add chili, pepper, salt, taco seasoning, and oregano. If you have other Mexican style spices, you can add them here as well. Next, add the vegetables. The bay leaves, leek, carrot, kidney beans, and chickpeas. Now pour the diced tomato. One can is not enough for this recipe, so I am adding 2 cans. Rinse the empty cans with little water and add that into the pan as well. This captures all the tomato flavors. Mix well, reduce the heat to low and let everything cook gently for about 40 minutes, allowing the flavors to develop and everything to become soft and rich. After the 30 to 35 minutes, check the seasoning. If the sauce tastes too sour, you can add a little sugar. But I personally enjoy the natural tomato tang, so I am not adding any. Remove the bay leaf before serving. And here is our delicious chili kankani. Serve it with hot rice, pasta, or anything you love. Simple ingredients, big flavor. Thanks for watching.